I figured a video was easier for this. When you're using the Marsh tape dispenser in the warehouse, this pressure plate has to be replaced after you put new tape in it, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So you got your brand new roll of tape installed in the back. You fit it underneath these two side flange thingies, and then you, with one hand, because I'm filming, pull the tape forward, get it underneath this roller thing, okay, and then lower it. All right, now you take this pressure plate and you just slide the left side in first, and that gives you the clearance to get it down in there. And then you just lift up a little bit on the roller thingy and it slides right in, all the way in. You got to make sure it gets all the way down in there. See, now it's providing pressure on the tape. Now I would recommend pulling slowly the first time to get through, and you're in business. That's simple.